So welcome everyone. Let's find our seat, and remember, if you want to sit up on a prop, you're welcome to sit up a little bit higher if that works better for you. And let's just go ahead and pick our shoulders up and roll them back and down. And use your breath to start to quiet your mind and just notice how you're breathing today. Is your breath smooth and flowing? Or is it a little irregular and jerky? Just notice. And if there is any tension in your breath, see if you can smooth or kind of release some of that tension with a longer exhale. And let's just take 2 or 3 more breaths here. The inhale, relaxing into the exhale. And the exhale, rebounding into an inhale. And I thought for today we could do something called the yogic breath. And it's a simple 3-part breathing. And there's just little pauses between inhales, right? And I'd like us to think about kind of filling the lower lungs first, then the middle, and then the upper lungs close to the collarbones. Okay? So the way we do that is we're going to exhale completely, inhale and pause, inhale and pause, inhale all the way to the top, and then exhale fully. So the exhale is free, but the inhale has the pauses. All right, so let's try that again. Inhale, pause, inhale, pause, inhale, pause, and exhale. Inhale, pause, inhale, pause, inhale, pause, exhale. Let's do that a few more times, and you can either feel actually the action in the lungs, or you can visualize it filling the bottom, the middle, and the top. And then a smooth exhale. Let's do that a few more times. So we start to notice that the inhale is active or activating, but the exhale is relaxed. It's soft. It's that in the body. Last couple rounds, please. Last time. After this exhale, allow your breath to adjust. And begin to notice how perhaps the breath has changed, or your energy has changed, your mind. And now just bend your right elbow. Please extend your thumb your ring finger and your pinky. Then we'll turn the palm towards us. We're going to exhale through both nostrils. Close your left side and inhale right. Close the right and exhale left. Inhale left. Close and exhale right. Keep going on each side a few more times. Now the next time you exhale out the right side, just lower your hand. And again, we'll let the breath readjust. And just notice how you feel. Notice how you feel in the front of your body. On the right side. On your left side. And finally, on your back. And then imagine the breath just moving up and down the central channel, right? The spine. On your next inhale, turn your palms up. Exhale the hands together. And that was our breath work for today. Now let's start our Hatha practice, Hatha yoga practice with an Om. So please inhale. We'll lower our chin to our chest. Remember something that you're grateful for today.